Stay tuned for Mozart's Concerto for Flute and Harp, coming up on Concerto 99.5.
I never thought I'd find such great prices on brand-name tires. Thanks, Roll With It Tires, for making my Labor Day and every day such a breeze. Tired of sweltering summers and freezing winters? Dreading those sky-high energy bills? It's time to upgrade your windows with Skyline View windows. But hurry, this offer won't last long.
This world, it's broken. The echoes of the past whisper of a darkness. We are the last hope against the encroaching abyss. The time for whispers is over.
This 4th of July, stay alive, buckle up and drive. This ad sponsored by Sunrise Chevrolet. Break the cycle of addiction. Reclaim your life. Call us now on 212-555-1212.
Wilson and Wyatt, celebrating 50 years of guiding clients through the complexities of real estate law. Don't navigate the legal maze alone. Call us today for a free consultation.
Book your unforgettable getaway at massresort.com.